Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signal lost on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving. After click on battery and power saving, click on power saving. And if you want to fix this problem, so disable battery optimization. After disable battery optimization, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on factory data reset and erase all data. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more latest new videos. Thanks for watching.